You're going to say hi, ladies. No, they can't hear you. You have to speak louder. Say hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies.
Good boy. Hi, ladies. Okay, so it's going to be a video all about Charlie Hounslow. How old are you now?
Whoa. Oh no,
Down there. Oh no. Who have you got here in your hands?
1, 2, oh. Wow.
Who's this in your hands?
Don't know.
Yes, you do. Who is it? Who's this?
Don't know.
How old are you? You are 4. Good boy. So
Yeah.
1.
2, 3, whoa.
Yeah. 5. 6. 7.
8 and 10.
Good boy. Oh, what number's Nia?
And 1.
No, she's 18.
No 1.
No, she's 18. So this is Charlie. He is 4. He has severe speech delay when he was younger, and now, as you can hear, we are just about getting words out of him now. So when he was 2, they wanted him to be able to say 2 words together, and he would only say like mama or dada,
Mommy or daddy.
mummy or daddy, upstairs, downstairs,
Upstairs, party round house.
party round house,
Upstairs, downstairs, to house.
to house. How much did the house cost?
No, wait, party.
How much did the house cost?
No,
How much did the train cost?
and too many.
2 money, yeah.
Yeah, got no power.
Gordon, no power. Oh dear. Oh, he does have some power. So we actually had him tested for autism. The lady just came round to his nursery school and said that he's not on the spectrum at all. I think he scored like a 3 out of 14 or something. And I think anything over 8 like is a cause for concern or something. So he was like way off. But oh, you got your other one. Good job. Oh gosh, you're so heavy. I can't get over how heavy you are.
Oh, danda.
Yeah.
Whoa, danda.
The coal tender.
Whoa, waiting.
Yeah. He can't say his S's. So when you wanted to play with slime, what did you say?
Wait. Hold on, mommy.
Okay, what?
No, wait, daddy.
He's telling you that he wanted to get his slime out yesterday, but we had to wait for Daddy because it was like one of these
Daddy
ones.
work.
Daddy is at work, yeah. So yeah, we've been to many. Don't eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
No, eat it.
Dand.
Do you love Gordon?
Yeah.
Is he one of your favourite?
One more, whoa.
You want one more?
Yeah. Gator.
You want Gator?
Yeah.
I don't know what Gator is.
Green.
He's green, is he?
Yeah, wait, Christmas.
Wait for Christmas. Yes, good boy.
No night time, morning time.
It's not night time, it's morning time. Good job.
Working all day. No, all day.
You're so good now.
Oh.
Baby asleep. Oh, okay. You're very sweet. So he is now completely potty trained during the day. We do have a nighttime nappy at night, a big boy nighttime nappy at night.
This way, don't.
He would not wake up to go for a wee. It's unreal. Exactly the same with Harry, actually. We had a nighttime nappy for Harry. Harry was a bit quicker though because his development was a lot quicker when he used to like talk and things like that. So we're a little bit on the slow side, but we're okay. So yeah, I know you guys wanted to hear him talk, so here he is. He is amazing. You love Baby, don't you?
Yeah. Eat
Yeah.
Gordon.
Eat Gordon. Oh no.
Off, but.
No, don't take it off. He is obsessed with trains. He goes to sleep with them at night and like his train books. Yeah. So we've also been to see speech therapists, and they have just kind of given us like things to do and like ideas to try and stuff like that. But to be honest, it just kind of all just came in a leap and bound when we had the, I believe, was it the 6-week holidays? Like it came on really, really quickly. No power.
Yes.
Oh! But yeah, he's obsessed with trains. It's like his favourite thing.
No power.
And also, he will repeat things like, if I say to him, say Pepper,
Peppa.
Mummy,
Mommy.
Daddy,
Baby, I'm good.
Baby Baby Shark,
Baby,
Baby Shark, do 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 do. Thank you. You're so beautiful. But yeah, so he will repeat words and he'll just come out with new words like every day, which is lovely. Apple,
Apple.
cat,
Bamboo.
bamboo. Yeah, that's our snake that we lost the other week. Snake.
Bamboo round.
Around the house.
Yeah, upstairs, downstairs.
He didn't go upstairs. We did look upstairs and downstairs though, didn't we? Yeah.
The barn.
We found him under the chair, didn't we?
But no. Nope.
You're looking at yourself in the viewfinder. You little poser. I wonder who you get that from.
And.
Thomas Friends.
Whoa, yeah, day. Whoa.
A lot of people said to us actually, like, oh, as soon as he starts talking, you're gonna like
Whoa.
not be able to keep him quiet.
Yeah,
but it's like I want to encourage him to talk because we haven't had any words come out of his mouth in like 4 years. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up.
Bye.
No, hang on, we're not ready for the bye yet. Thumbs up, subscribe to me for free, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, ladies.
All done.
All done.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.